Hello, healthy people. This is Queen, your wellness and holistic health coach. With health coaching, especially the holistic standard, we explore a lot. Do you know that hugging a tree, nature, improves feelings of happiness? It helps you reduce your stress hormone, and it brings you back to creativity. It boosts your immune system and also accelerates recovery from any illness. Oh my God, it feels so good. It's just amazing, to connect, embrace nature. The origin of tree hugging, okay, let's go back to the ancient. It was a culture and a spiritual environmental history for our ancestors. Elisha, the prophet, is always resting under a tree, and messages comes to him, manna, the angels bring food and everything to him. Most of the great men, great prophets, if you read your scripture very well, you will see them resting under a tree. They embrace the tree. They even sleep under the tree. So, embracing and hugging a tree is therapeutic. So, here, connecting with the universe, amazing work of God. So, the tree embracing, this is how I release, get more energy, take away negative energy, impose myself with good energy. When you hug the tree, oh, look at so beautiful. With the Mother Nature, I love the work of God. It's amazing, it's beautiful. The air smells amazing, it smells really good, so delightful. With the Mother Nature, I love the work of God. It's amazing, it's beautiful. Trees, they help us feel spiritually more connected with God. They help us feel better about ourselves. The trees, they help to rejuvenate you, makes you feel beauty inside. It makes you look younger, and youthful. Trees are one of the most encourageable things to hug. I love God. Universe, I love you. To tell you how powerful the tree can be, imagine that little hug. Look at how energized and so excited. I'm running around like someone who just finished a whole bottle of Hennessy. I was so energized, so happy, and joyous. Enjoying the beautiful nature, enjoying the beautiful nature, enjoying the beautiful nature of God. So beautiful. The universe, amazing work of God. So the tree embracing, this is how I release, get more energy, take away negative energy, impose myself with good energy. When you hug the tree, oh, look at so beautiful. With the Mother Nature, I love the work of God.